I'm going to describe how to create in Excel a dynamic chart which is linked to a drop-down list. I'm going to be using Microsoft Office 365 Excel. Here you can see me selecting the country Germany and the revenue pie chart dynamically updating. To begin with, we have the raw country category and revenue data, and we select all of the data. We then select the Home tab and the Format as Table option, and I choose the light style and press OK. Here you can see the data is stored as a table. I'm now going to create the country list, which is going to be used for the drop-down. I copy across the country heading and the country values, England, France and Germany. Then select the cell F1 where the drop-down list is going to be located. And then choose the Data tab and Data Validation. In the dialog box for Allow, I choose List. And for the source, I select the England, France and Germany cells and then click Apply. Here you can see we have the drop-down list with the countries in. I've selected England. We're now going to create the dynamic data for the pie chart. I select the category and revenue headings and copy them across. I then enter in the cell below the filter function, with the first argument being all the category and revenue cells in the source data table. I then enter a comma, and then for the criteria, I select all the country cells in the source data table, enter an equal sign, and then select the cell in which the drop-down list is located, which is F1. I then close the bracket and press enter. Now when I select a country in the drop-down list, the category and revenue data is dynamically updated. To create the pie chart, I select the category and revenue data, and then choose the Insert tab and press the pie chart. We now have a pie chart which dynamically updates based on the country drop-down list.